Greetings, dear friends, and welcome once more to this channel. I am Ken Jerry Babila. I am a software developer. Today, we are going to talk about the Newline character and the escape sequences. Before we get started, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. The Newline character with the backward slash n is used to terminate the current output and start the next output to the left margin of a new line, meaning that the new line character is like a line break. There's a program that prints a statement of value on the next line. Escape sequences are string arguments to the printf function. It's important to note that escape sequences are written using the backward slash. The character that follows the backward slash specify what the program is supposed to do. Some examples of common escape sequences include the backward slash n, which is used to issue a new line character, the backward slash f, which is used to issue a new page character, the backward slash t, which is used to issue a tag character, and many others. For us to properly understand this, let's get into code block and do an example. So we are going to code an example program to see how the new line character works and how escape sequences are put into operation. And the escape sequence that we'll use here is the backward slash n. So to do that, I will start with the basic structure of a C program. So to build this program, I will need to save it, come at the level of file, I take save. So now I have saved my program with the .c extension to tell uh, code block that this is a C file. So now let me build my program. So you realize that when I run the program, I have where do you live? I live in Yaoundé, Cameroon, on the same line. So now to specify or to tell the program that print I live in Yaoundé, Cameroon on the next line, we are going to use the new line character. So to do that, let me close this. I get back here. I use backward slash n. Depending on how many steps you want your program to print the next line at, I could take double back. Let me first take this. I built this so you see what is happening. So you now see that where do you live? On the next line, I live in Yaoundé, Cameroon. If I add another backward slash n, I say I built, I run, and then you see that he has gone to the next line after the next line. So that's actually how the new line character, which is a special sequence character, is used. So thank you for watching this video, And if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe and we meet in the next one. Thanks for watching.